Hey there, everyone. So, I wanted to come on here and share a success story. And this success story is all about manifesting my dream job. Back when I was around in my 20s, 23, 24, and yeah, it was really, really awesome. So, what happened is, and this is before I even knew about manifestation, this is before I even knew, what I was actually doing. And at the time, I was a qualified personal trainer and I was doing a program that helped me to start a business in personal training. And as I was learning about all the business side of things, I was like, oh, do I really want to do this? Like, I was a little bit lost in that time of my life. And, I was I was qualified as a personal trainer, but the hours were pretty full on and, people were coming and going and there wasn't a lot of commitment. It was a bit all over the place and it was okay. I love what I do. I love personal training and all of that kind of thing. But I was like, I don't know if this is fully what I want to do right now in my life, like full on go into business. Anyway, I was thinking, what do I really want? I was sort of coaching myself. What do you really want here, Vanessa? And what actually happened for me is I thought to myself, I don't know why, this is just so random. I was like, I wouldn't mind working at a naturopath clinic as a receptionist. That's it. That's what I want to do. I want to work a couple of days a week, part-time, and I think that would be really great. And so anyway, it just so happened that so I got really clear. So that's what I did. So I got really clear on what I wanted, what I wanted to exactly do, how many hours a week I wanted to do, all of that kind of thing. And then a job presented itself and it was really interesting because, I found about this job and actually, to be honest, I can't remember exactly how I found out about this job. I don't know if it was in the newspaper or if someone told me about it. Like, I can't even remember. Anyway, so there was about 40 people going for this particular job and it was at a naturopath clinic. So off I went to the interview, 40 people. And interestingly enough, as I walked in the door to my interview, the clinic manager was there. Her name was Beck, and just so happened that I knew her. And I was like, what? What's the chances? And I'd actually done some pranic healing courses with her and things like that. I've been doing some meditation evenings and things like that. So I knew her, she knew me, and cut a long story short, I got the job out of 40 people and I'd never worked in a naturopath clinic before. And a lot of my work had been actually, in the gym and things like that. So it wasn't even something that I was really highly skilled in, and I got the job out of 40 people. Now, I believe all of that, like, getting clear on what I wanted, the job I wanted, and the hours and all of that kind of thing, and then coming into the job interview and there's 40 people and it just so happens that the lady that's doing the interview I know is a massive synchronicity, and it was totally lined up. And I worked there for a couple of years. I even ended up managing, which actually taught me so many skills about business. Like, it actually taught me the skills hands-on. I did a lot of bookkeeping work, reception work, on the phones. I learned so much about natural medicines. Like, it was just an amazing experience and I learned so much from it. And yeah, that was a massive part of my journey. And I learned about gut health and, what kind of remedies and what's it called? Like, different vitamins and things like that to use. And I just learnt so much because there was also a doctor there as well where I was working. And yeah, I love working there. The people were so friendly and yeah, I loved it. So I just wanted to share this little manifestation story because, I didn't even know that's what I was doing. But now I look back because of everything I've learned about manifestation now. I'm like, you so manifested that. And it just all lined up, and it really was I meant to say, an amazing experience, and I learned so much. So anyway, let me know if you're manifesting your dream job and what kind of dream job you want. And I'd love to know in the comments below. And I hope you've enjoyed this little success story. I've got more coming, so look out on the channel for more, and I'll talk to you all soon.